Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, sit down. Okay. Today's topic is polygons. What do you think it is? Do you have any clue? It's a shape. What shape?
Shapes of angles.
Shape with angles. Very close. Now, polygons is a plane shape with at least 3 straight lines. The important thing is that it is straight sides and with closed circuit. Okay? It means it is closed. Now, before we begin with polygons, I would like to remind you some angle properties. Okay? Let's look at this again. Angle property cheat sheet. Now, we have 2 parallel lines. They are parallel to each other. And if you cross one line across them, the angle, this angle and this angle, will be equal to each other. Okay? Another one, if you do that with parallel line, these opposite angles will also be equal to each other. The third property you should know, if you cross 2 straight lines, the opposite angles, okay, will be what? Same. This angle and this angle, okay? They will be equal. Okay. The third property is that angles of a triangle, let's make it what? White. Angles of a triangle in sum will make 180, okay? And the whole turn will give you 160, okay? Whole turn will give you 160 degree. A straight line will give you 180 degrees. Understand? This is the properties you should know for now. It's a reminder. Now, let's bring it back to the polygons. You have like cheat sheets on your desk. Took out the first cheat sheet. The first one, yeah. In the corner it's written first. Okay, 1. Now, polygons, as it's defined, it is a plane shape, like plane shape, 2-dimensional, at least with 3 sides and angles, and it is closed. What does this mean? You see, we have a triangle, yes? We have 3 lines, okay? 3 straight lines and angles. And they are closed. This means polygon. For example, what is not a polygon? We have this one straight line, another 2 second straight line, and the third straight line. Is this a polygon? No, it's not a polygon because the circuit is not closed. Understand? It is open. It's not a polygon. It's just the broken lines. Understand? So polygon should be closed. Now, there are types of polygons. First, triangle, quadrilaterals. Triangle means 3-sided polygon. Quadrilaterals, it's 4 sides. Pentagon, it's like 5 sides. Now, let's choose one student from each Unubolt, Holongo, and Udam. Let's hold from one side of each triangle. Only one, okay? Okay. Now you formed a triangle, yes? Yeah. There are 3 sides with this rope and 3 angles. Understand? Now, Undram, come here and join them. Put from one side. Now it has 4 sides, yes? You're acting like a point. Now this is, you can go down. You two. Okay. You two go down. No, like this. Like. No, you will. To show your friends, okay? This is 4-sided Quadrilateral. Now, if I join, it has now 5 angles and 5 sides, yes?
Yeah.
These are polygons, okay? This is you can do polygons like this. Now, there are types of polygons. You can sit down, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, there are types of polygons. The first type is regular polygon. What does regular mean? Let's write it now. Regular polygon. It's a special polygons, okay? Regular polygon is the polygon with equal sides and angles. It means all sides of that polygon is equal to each other. And the lengths of that sides and the measurement of the angles are also equal. Here, on the first cheat sheet, you have 3 regular polygons. The first regular polygon is a triangle. It's called equilateral triangle, okay? Comes from equal. Second is a square, okay? The angles are same, 90, 90, 90, and sides are also equal to each other. Second is it has 6 sides, and so it is regular hexagon, okay? After pentagon, it goes hexagon. And then, now, we have done with the definition of the regular polygon, yes? Open the page 42. Let's define some other features of the polygon, okay? Now, first, we have a marker here. Let's work with it. We have this polygon. Oh. Now, it has it has angles, yes? Yeah. Now, but it has also outside angles, yes? It has angles inside this angle, but it also has outside angles. Understand? Now, let's label them. This is E and this is I. Okay? Now, E stands for exterior angle, and I stands for interior angle. Okay? Now, regular polygon has its, we say that the sides are equal and also what? Angles are equal, yes? So interior angle of the polygon, it means this I equal to this I. Understand? Now, let's look at first on exterior angle. What is this exterior angle means? Exterior angle is like continuation of the side of the polygon and angle between those second side and the continuation of the first side. Understand? Now, let's look at this drawing. Now, these are what? Exterior angles, yes? Now, we have exterior angles. Let's say I am at point A here, okay? And looking at this direction, okay? I'm at point A and looking at this direction. I have walked from point A to point B and turned to this direction, okay? This is point C, and point D, I've done this EF, okay? I have done this procedure, I have walked through this direction and turned to the other side, yes? At the end, where will I be? After F, I will come back to my starting place, yes? I will go to this side and turn back. What did I do? I made a whole turn, yes? Yeah. I did a turn. So what gives you? It should give you a clue about exterior angle. What do you think? What is exterior angle? I walked around the polygon. I have walked around the polygon, and every time I reached the point, I turned, okay? And after I finished one lap, I came to the same point, looking into the same direction. I've made like whole turn. How many degrees is whole turn? 360. Now, the interesting part is that these exterior angles, when you add them, they will form a circle. Okay? So the sum of exterior angles, let's put it here. Is 360 degrees. Understand? It is true for every polygon. Okay? Now, since we are talking about regular polygon, we can calculate the exterior angle, one angle. Okay? This one angle. Okay? How many sides do we have here? 6 sides, yes? So we have 6 exterior angles, yes? Now, 6 of them are forming 360, yes? And they are equal. They are equal in measurement, in degrees. So, what should we do? We just divide 360 by 6, okay? And we will get 60 degrees. So, exterior angle of the regular hexagon is 60 degrees, yeah? So, from this, you can go to the definition of the exterior angle of regular polygon. So, you just take 360 degrees and divide it into number of sides, okay? This is equal to exterior angle of regular polygon. Understand? This is the definition. So, it means N stands for number of sides. Understand? Did you understand it fully? You can look at the cheat sheet too, okay? Look at the cheat sheet too. You have the same exact polygon with same exact turns. Understand? You can go through this polygon from point A to point A again. Understand? Now, we have done with the exterior angle. Now, what about interior angle? So, if you know exterior angle, as you remember, let's take this out. Now, as you remember, we have talked that the straight line angle is what? How many degrees the straight line? straight line is 180 degrees, yes? Now, in polygons, we have these sides. Am I right? And this is one part of a polygon. Now, if you extend this angle called exterior angle, yes? Yeah. No. And this angle called is interior angle. So, in total, exterior angle and interior angle sums up to what? Because it's the, yes, 180, because the exterior angle is calculated by the continuation of the side. Yes, it's a straight line. Continuation means straight line. So, interior angle plus exterior angle gives you 180. Okay? So, interior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus exterior angle. Understand? So, interior angle is equal to, what was the exterior angle? It was 180 minus 360 divided by n. Understand? Here is how you calculate the interior angle. Let's take this out, everything. Getting messy. No. Right? Are you writing this down? Interior angles. Now let's open the page 42 in your book. Have you opened it? Now, let's start with the exercise. Exercise number 3. For that, we will use this helpful sheet. Okay? Question 3. Who wants to do this? Question 3. Okay, let's choose. Tell me. Question 3, page 43. Read loudly.
Work out the following angles given versus A. The exterior angle of a regular octagon. B. The interior angle of a regular
Octagon. Yes, good. So, we have an octagon. Which one is octagon here? This one, yes? How many sides does it have? 8 sides, yes? We have 8 sides, and we should calculate the exterior angle and interior angle of that octagon. Now, let's clean the board. The board is very small. Now, let's write our formulas. Exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by number of sides, yes? Now, interior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 360 divided by n, okay? This is our formulas. Now, we have a regular octagon. It means what? Number of sides is 8, yes? Now, we should work out exterior angle and then interior angle. Now, you just simply insert instead of n, the 8. Understand? If it's octagon, it's 8. And since it's regular polygon, you can use these formulas. Now, exterior angle will be equal to 360 divided by 8. Gives you 45 degrees, okay? Good job, Ingo. Now, interior angle is 180 degrees minus exterior angle, yes, which is 45. It gives you what? 135. Okay. Now these are the answers. Now this is easy question. Let's move on with the next question. 4. Okay, Uzochir, can you read the question 4?
The regular rotation has interior angle 144. Work out A, the exterior angle, B, the number of sides.
Okay. Now, a regular polygon has an interior angle of 144. We should work out the exterior angle and the number of sides. Okay. So, we have a polygon, and this is 144. Okay. The question is, what is exterior angle and number of sides? Who has any idea? Who has ideas? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. Okay, Ondram.
We can find the number of sides first. To find the number of sides, we can 150.
Now, first we should find exterior angle, yes?
Oh yeah, we should then to find the exterior
Now,
angle, we should.
Here is the chalk. Please work out on the board.
This is number 4, right?
Yes.
8. To find the exterior angle, the formula is 160 divided by n. We know the interior angle is 100.
But we don't know the number of sides.
And we know that the interior angle is 150, and the formula is 180 minus
And
n.
this is for interior angle, yes?
Interior angle
It's equal to what?
is equal to 144.
144.
And to find that, we have to 180 to add 144.
Subtract 100.
Subtract 144.
Okay, good.
And
180 minus.
minus 144. We know the line has 180.
Yes. 144
And we just have
equal to?
to equal to 36.
Yes, 36. So
This is the number.
the exterior angle is 36, yes?
Yes.
It is equal to our exterior. Now, what about
The
number of sides?
To find the number of sides, we have to
Which formula we should use?
this one.
Yeah, this formula, yes?
Yeah.
Now,
We don't know the number of sides, so we just have to 360 divided
so this formula is equals to what in this question?
36.
36, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
And to find the number of sides, we just have to divide 360
Divide by
36. And the answer would be 100.
10.
10.
Yes. So number of sides is
10.
10. Okay, good. You can write it big N. Okay. So, what she did in this question is that we have a straight line here to find out the exterior angle, yes? So, 144 and we have exterior angle. So, these two angles in sum gives you 180. So, you just simply subtract 144, 36. This is the exterior angle. Understand? And by using this formula, you will get to the number of sides, which is 10. Understand? Now, let's work. Let's work on the question 8. Now, three identical regular polygons are put together at one point. Okay? So, let's clear this out. Now, we have three identical polygons. There are three polygons, and the sides, okay, 1, 2, and then 3, okay? These are the polygons. This side, and this side is the polygon side. Understand? So we have three polygons, and we have put in one point, and there is a gap of 36 degrees. Okay? Now, we should find out what is the name of the polygons. So, any ideas? So, no. We should find out that also. Now, what do you see here? If you follow the angle lines, there's circle, yes? So, the whole turn is 306 degrees. And then we know that these three polygons are identical. So,
You need to minus 30.
so what will be these angles? They will be identical, okay? They will be equal to each other. So if this angle is alpha, this angle will also be alpha, and this angle will also be alpha. Understand? So the 360 is equal to 36 plus 3 alpha. Yes? By that, 3 alpha is equal to 324, yes?
Yeah.
Alpha will be equal to what? 108. So, we have a polygon which interior angle is 108. So what will be the exterior angle? 72, yes? 72. Because exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 108, which gives you 72. Now, we should find out number of sides of this polygon to name this polygon. Am I right? So, number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle, yes? Which is equal to 360 divided by 72 degrees, which is equal to what? 5. So its answer is pentagon. What happened? No. Now, let's move on with more polygons. Open the page 44. What time is it now? Interior angles. Now, we have done that the interior angle of the polygon can be found by the formula, by this formula, yes? And if it's regular polygon, it's easy to find out the sum of interior angles, yes? Because we know the number of interior angles, and we just simply multiply to that number. Am I right? So, but what if we have irregular polygon? Irregular means the sides are not equal, okay? For example, This is irregular polygon, okay? Now, if I say find out the sum of the interior angles, what will you do? You should measure every angle one by one and sum them up, yes? If it's external, because you can't find with a formula. But fortunately for you, there is a formula for that. Yeah, to find out the sum of the irregular polygons, interior angle, now, interior angles. You just simply divide this polygon into triangles. Understand? Yeah. It's shown in the picture. And look at cheat sheet number 3. Okay, everybody. Every table has cheat sheet number 3. So, the polygon is divided into what? Triangles, yes? They have gone from one point. Actually, we can build our own triangle here. But I don't know if it will work. Okay? This is our polygon. Okay? Let's assume that it's irregular polygon. Okay? Now, we should divide it into triangles, which, by the way, doesn't overlap. Understand? They stand side by side. So to do that, we take a line, okay? And then from one point, you will go to another point, to opposite points, okay? You can't go to the neighbor point because it already has its own line, yes? And we go to another opposite point, and we have now what? Three triangles which doesn't overlap. Am I right? Yeah. Let's fill these triangles with other. Yes? These are three triangles. Now, they don't overlap. So, their angles also don't overlap, yes? Yeah. We have this angle, and this angle, this angle. And then this. Now, how many triangles do we have here? Three triangles, yes? Okay, three triangles. A triangle in sum, it has what? 180 degrees. So you simply multiply 3 by 180, and it gives you 540 degrees. No, it is three triangles. We have pentagon here, okay? But pentagon has 5 sides, and we have 3 triangles in total. Why we have less triangles than the number of sides? Because the 2 sides, it's already there, okay? They cannot overlap, yes, as you say. Now, for example, we can draw it here also, okay? We have in this, we have 6 sides, hexagon. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Because from this point, you can't go to this point, okay? You can't form a triangle for that point. Understand? Because if you form a triangle, it will overlap. It will overlap like this. Understand? It shouldn't be overlapped. So, the method is like this. If we have a number of triangles, you just simply ignore these 2 points. So you are subtracting 2 from it, and then multiply it from 180. Okay? That's it. This is sum of interior angles. Okay? This is the sum, actually. Now, we will solve the one exercise, and then we will summarize the lesson. Now, work at example 5.2, page 44. One angle of a hexagon is 90. The other angles are all equal. How big are the other angles? So we have a hexagon here. Hexagon, how many sides does it have? Number of sides is 6. And one angle is, how many angles do we have there? 6 angles. Then obviously, if number of sides is 6 and 6, then one angle is, it is 90 degrees. Okay? And other angles are what? Equal to each other. So we have another 5 alphas, yes? So this is the sum of interior angles. Understand? We should find out how big these angles are. What is the alpha? The question asks, what is the alpha? So, by using the formula, we will find out what? The sum of interior angle. Yeah, obviously we will find out this. So, sum of interior angles, this is sum, okay? This is symbol for sum, if anyone doesn't know that. Is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degree, which is 6 minus 2 times 180, which is equal to 4 times 180, which is 720. Okay? So, let's continue here. 5 alpha plus 90 degrees is equal to 720. This is simple equation, okay? You'll just, 5 alpha will be what? 630, okay? If you divide it by 5, you will get 126. So, 1 point, one angle is 90 degrees, and the other 5 is each 126. Now, let's summarize our lesson. Okay? We are getting into the end. Let's summarize our lesson. First, we talked about polygons. Polygons is what? Is the two-dimensional shape or plane shape with straight lines and angles with circuits closed. Understand? This is a polygon. And we have regular polygon. Regular polygon has all sides and angles equal to each other. Okay? The exterior angle of the regular polygon is 360 divided by number of sides, since the sum of exterior angle of the polygon is 360. By using that formula, we can find the interior angle, since sum of exterior angle and the interior angle is 180. Okay? Now, if we have irregular polygon, there is a formula for interior angles. You just divide it into triangles which don't overlap to each other, and you just multiply to the number of triangles in that, the 180. Okay? Fortunately, number of triangles can be found with this formula: a number of sides minus 2. Okay? So if you multiply it 180 with that, you eventually get the sum of interior angles. Now, this is it for today. Thank you for listening.